Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute. Meet Deborah and Marisol,
Okay, say it all over again.
Hi, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Marisol.
your passionate and creative hosts who will guide you through a world of warm textures, reclaimed wood, and cozy accents. Let's unleash the rustic designer in you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marisol. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some fabulous ideas for farmhouse decor. Farmhouse decor is a timeless style that combines the coziness of country living with the simplicity and elegance of modern design. So let's jump right in. Remember, don't be afraid to layer textures and add warmth and character to your space. Mix and match soft linens, cozy knits, and rustic burlap to create a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. Add texture with decorative elements like vintage wooden trays, distressed metal accents, and woven baskets. If you're looking to make a significant impact, consider updating your furniture with farmhouse-inspired pieces. Look for items with a distressed or weathered finish, or get creative and give your existing furniture a rustic makeover with a fresh coat of chalk paint. You can also invest in statement pieces like a farmhouse dining table or a sliding barn door to create a focal point in your space. Lastly, something we can't forget when talking about spring farmhouse decor and the magic of spring flowers. Incorporating seasonal blooms like tulips, daffodils, and peonies into your home adds a touch of freshness and vibrancy that epitomizes the spirit of the season. You can create charming arrangements using vintage vases, mason jars, or even repurposed water cans for that extra rustic appeal. It's the magic of spring flowers. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Or what? Oh, I know.
That would be cool.